my channel. It's your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, I know. So this YouTube video is going to be tips and tricks on growing out your undercut. So by no means is this a tutorial video. So if that's what you was looking for, I'm sorry to tell you. I'm sorry to inform you that's this not it. You know what I'm saying? This not it. However, you guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Therefore, you can be part of the supremacy, and I can, you know, hereby knight you to be a badder bitch. You know what I'm saying? Because here at the supremacy, we're bad bitches that read books and that slay looks. You know, we're intellectual bad bitches. Period. Ooh, that's fire. Anyway, like I said, let's just get straight into this video for these tips and tricks, you guys. So, you guys, my first tip / trick for growing out your undercut is to be sure this is what you want to do. This process is not for the faint of heart. Like, you have to be determined. There's going to be days. There's going to be days where you give up. But you can't give up. You gotta push through it. Yeah, so that's like really, you know, just be sure this is what you want to do. Throughout this video, I'm actually going to be inserting clips of my journey so far, and I'm going to be showing you guys this very graphic scene, which is my undercut today. Yeah, so my second tip / trick actually helps with the growing process. If you guys haven't watched my how or tips and tricks to grow faster hair, or I don't even know what the video is called, but it was some type of hair growth, you know, video. So yeah, actually I'm about to start taking Hairfinity again. I'm gonna put the link of those two videos in the description box below. So Hairfinity and Jamaican black castor oil, as you guys know, helps promote growth in your hair, and then, you know, scalp massages, things like that are gonna help grow your undercuts. My next tip / trick is, if you're going to grow out your undercut, I would suggest you wait until your hair is actually a length that you're comfortable with. Like, as you guys can see, my hair kind of covers mine, so you can't see it. It looks like I have a full head of hair. And I remember getting this one question. Somebody was like, you didn't cut off all your hair to start growing your undercut back? I'm like, no. Why would I do that? That's pointless. Like, I just spent like 2 years growing this out. Why would I cut it? Like, no. And you can't even see it, so you can't even see the undercut. But yeah, like, just make sure it's a decent length, or a length that you guys are comfortable with, to hide your undercut, because ooh, I don't want to get to that yet. But yeah, you guys, so that's what I suggest. Another tip / trick I would suggest is finding cute styles for your undercut. Now, actually, I'm going to do another video on cute styles or styling your undercut, because I know people have trouble with that, and I think I'm going to do a little bit more research just to see what kind of styles I can actually come up with for you guys. So, in a later video, of course. So, you guys got to stay tuned if you want to get that cookie, you know what I'm saying? But, for the long and awaited thing we've all been waiting for, I'm gonna show you guys this horrendous undercut right now. Yeah. Okay.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
So, like I was saying, you guys, I have my hair like completely shaved off on the sides and the back, and this is what it looks like today. It's actually in some braids right now, so hold on. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Now I know what you guys are probably thinking. You look terrible. I know, don't judge me. Yeah. So this is pretty much the length. You know, got a little cute look. If I pressed it, it'd be real cute, you know. This is basically the length. Let me take out the other side. Ugh. But yeah, so basically, guys, my reasoning for like y'all know I don't care about coming on YouTube looking a mess. But yeah, man, basically my reasoning for growing out my undercut was I pretty much had grew my hair out to when I actually straightened it and saw how long it was. And I was just looking like, you guys, you know how much more hair I would have if I had had the length from the sides and the back. Like, it would have just been so much more longer. And I was just so mad at myself. And then I seen this other boy and he had his, he had all of his hair. And I'm just like, bruh, that could have been me. Like, I'm jealous right now. And so I was just like, yeah, we're gonna grow it back out. Woo! Ooh! Yes. Ooh, I'm gonna turn around to the back so y'all guys can see this kitchen too. But yeah, and then one of my favorite YouTubers, you guys, Will on a Whim, I actually started growing out his shaved sides. So when he started doing that, I was like, okay, this is gonna give me the inspiration to do this thing. Like, I know it ain't gonna be easy, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna definitely do it. We're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how it works. So this is currently where my undercut is. Yeah, I look like Bowser the Clown right now. And so after I was watching his videos and things like that, I was like, I definitely can do this. And then I know one of my other favorite YouTubers, Bree Hall, she actually grew out an undercut too. So I was just like, y'all, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get lit and we're gonna have all this hair and once it grow in, and it's just gonna be really cute. We gotta get there first though. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go through the little ugly phase, which is right now, and we're gonna get cute. Period. But I've been growing my undercut since I think the last haircut I got was in October. And you guys, for you fellas out there, if you're thinking about growing your undercut out, you gonna save some money. Probably not, because your hair gonna get longer, so you're gonna spend it on hair products anyway if you're like me, who's a product junkie. So like I said, I'm gonna insert some clips, you guys, just so you guys can see like the growth and the process of this undercut and how far I've gotten so far. And yeah, and like I said, you know, right now it's not really covering it because like I said, I just took my braids that I had them in out. But this is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, I look crazy on camera. Hold on. Let me at least braid this mess back. Oh, that's gonna be too much. And I can't really see. I'm not really good at this. Like, really, really good yet. But y'all see it's a good enough amount to grip. So, we've been doing a dang thing. Okay, well now we're getting into my actual hair and we don't need to do that. So we're just gonna stop that. Anyway, like I was saying, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It's your boy Nas, aka Supreme. And I'll be back with more YouTube videos. So stay tuned, boo-boo.